Plugged into the codes of creation, binary beats in rhythmic translation. Human thoughts meet machine vibration, electric sparks fuel this collaboration. Dance over keys in the night, neon veins glowing synthetic light. Dreams in metal, they take their flight, both flesh and chip in